Top 10 valve replacement surgeons in India. 1. Dr. S Meharwal, a renowned cardiac surgeon with 38 years of experience, currently serving at Fortis Escorts Heart Institute, Delhi. 2. Dr. Ajay Kaul, a highly respected cardiothoracic and vascular surgeon with 36 years of expertise at Fortis Hospital, Noida. 3. Dr. Yugal Mishra, an experienced cardiovascular surgeon with 38 years of excellence, practicing at Manipal Hospital, Dwarka, New Delhi. 4. Dr. Naresh Trehan, one of India's most eminent cardiothoracic and cardiovascular surgeons, brings 49 years of experience at Medanta Hospital, Gurgaon. 5. Dr. Anil Bhan, a leading cardiac and cardiothoracic surgeon with 39 years of experience, also practices at Medanta Hospital, Gurgaon. 6. Dr. Bhaba Nanda, a skilled cardiothoracic surgeon with 33 years of experience, is associated with Apollo Hospital, Delhi. 7. Dr. Devananda N.S., a cardiothoracic surgeon and cardiologist with 29 years of experience, serves at Manipal Hospital. 8. Dr. Ganeshakrishnan Iyer, a trusted cardiothoracic surgeon with 32 years of experience at Aster CMI Hospital. 9. Dr. R Balakrishnan, a senior cardiothoracic surgeon with 38 years of expertise, practices at MGM Healthcare. 1. Dr. Srinath Vijayasekharan, a cardiothoracic specialist and cardiologist with 21 years of experience at Rela Hospital, Chennai. If you're seeking advanced heart care, these specialists represent excellence, experience, and trusted cardiac treatment in India. For consultations and